Welcome back to the second part of building your own custom website, WordPress website using Ultimatum framework. All right, today I am going to, in this part two episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to concentrate on the menu part. And as I said earlier, I would be making few changes compared to um, the PSD what we had seen. The PSD was like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make few minor changes, and what I'm planning to do is I have included the Twitter menu with the search box, and so we will continue from here. Um, so for this part, what I'm going to do right now is if I come here, so there are a few things which I have done. So I have given custom class to my menu here, to the menu column. So I'm calling it as header menu. And I don't think I've given anything for the logo. This, okay. And the next thing that I have done here is I've given a wrapper class. So I'm giving it as the header wrapper. Okay. Now these things are done. So my the thing is, like, you what you can do is there are two ways of giving this color, the background color uh, to the menu portion, or the main this portion of the header. So one is you can go to Ultimatum here, you can come here, you can give you can go to the wrapper CSS directly and add your color here. So in this case our color is this. So what I'm going to do is, see, I click on save and refresh this. You see this? So this is so easy to give a color. However, I prefer doing the other way around, which is I remove this from here, go to background images, clear, save, and go back here, F5, it's gone. So my way of doing this is, because I have already given the wrapper, so the best thing that I would do here is I go to my custom style sheet which I've added. So here I'm going to say header wrapper background hash and I save this, go back, save. So this is how it goes. So I have got this. Now the next thing is, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove, I like the Twitter menu, however this thing I don't want. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to find out the class. So it's a navbar inner. So what I'm going to do here is I go back to my CSS dot header hyphen menu. This is my custom class dot navbar hyphen inner, if I'm right. Yes, inner background none. Okay, box shadow, there I know there is a box shadow, so box shadow, none. Save, yes. Okay, the box shadow, the background is gone, so I want the border to be removed. So I go here, add another line. So I would say, okay, border, none. Control save, yes. Here you go. Okay, good. Now I know that these things are gone. So the next step is this thing is up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it down so to the middle. So here what I'm going to do is add my custom CSS here. So I'm going to say header menu margin top 10. No, let's make it for 20 pixel. Save. This is done. So come here, refresh. All right. Sorry about that. Maybe a little more down. So let's see, 5 pixels. All right, it looks good. So the next step is we'll complete the menu completely. So I don't like the font color, so I'm going to change the font. Okay, so here we have this class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say okay, font, no, color. So I need it white, so it is F. Okay, and we have another one was text decoration is none. I don't want a text shadow, so I'm going to say text shadow, none, and font weight bold. Save. Good. So this is done. Now I want my image, my logo, to be somewhere in the center. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add another line of code. So here this time I'm going to say dot logo. I know that it's logo. I'll show you. So this is margin left. Here I'm going to give a 20%. I want it to be responsive, so I'm using the percentage here. Okay, save. Refreshing. Good. Now this is good for our menu. So this top portion. Now in the next part or next episode, what we are going to do is we are going to create the remaining of this, which is the body of the home page. So let's meet in the next episode.